when you're craving something really sweet, do you like sweetness with chocolate and peanut butter, kind of like a Reese's? Let me show you this little trick that I often do when I just want a dessert, I suppose. I just got a Costco membership. Yay! I found this huge package of Deglet dates and I thought I'd give them a try. I've been buying these Medjool dates. I put one inside of my smoothie in the mornings and it just really adds a really good flavor. And so if you're not familiar with dates, I use them a lot to sweeten in place of any type of sugar. I just use the dates. So see, can you see there? Let me see. Yeah, so that's the Medjool date. So here are the Deglet dates. And they've already been pitted. The Medjool that I buy isn't pitted. And it's really kind of more sticky. So let's take a closer look and see what we find. So I'm going to taste test this. Well, I know what these taste like. I'm going to taste this one first. And like I said, it's really much softer. I don't know if that's just the way they're supposed to be, but I'm gonna try that. So it's very similar. I don't think it would make a difference in my smoothie, for sure. And I'm gonna try the Deglet Date. The Deglet Date is just as sweet. The sweetness is the same in them. The Medjool Date is just a lot more caramel-like. Below I'm gonna put a link to date balls that I made recently. And that's a good recipe. And I want to show you one thing, so hold on here. You can have a dessert in a minute using these dates. No baking, no stirring, no mixing, no nothing. Just quick and easy. Okay, so here are the two different dates. Here is the Medjool date, and here is the Deglet date. And I'm going to, let me see, this one is soft enough. I can just kind of, maybe I should have used a knife. So you want to open it up and take out the pit. They're very hard. They look like pecan seeds, but they're much harder than pecan seeds. And this little topping piece too. Can you see that? I take that off. So I actually found a Deglet date that is the same size as the Medjool date. But this is what I do. Oh, I use dry roasted peanuts and it has salt. No added oils, no sugar, nothing extra. It's just salted peanut butter. And spread it on one or both sides. There. I'm going to taste test this because I'm wondering if they're going to taste different. And then you see these little chocolate chips? These are just easier to use just because I have them. You know, I could do these open face. Usually I close them. And then just, let's see, put as much chocolate as you want. And this is a dairy-free chocolate. And just close it up like that. They truly taste like Reese's to me. Okay, I'm going to do a taste test. So now I'm going to taste test these. This is the Deglet Date. Let me try it. This is good. I think I could use those. Okay. I really prefer this recipe with the Medjool Date. So maybe I can just buy one of these every now and then and keep them as my special treat. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so here's my verdict. I think that if I'm just trying to sweeten something in general, like make a smoothie sweeter or something, I think this bucket of Deglet dates are going to work well. But I think I'm just going to take some of these out and put them in little baggies so I can take them out of the freezer and a little bit at a time because I don't want these to go bad. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Medjool Date versus the Deglet dates. If you tried this recipe, let me know what you think.